Hello guys, or Savadi Krab. Today I won't go to on the bike repair shop because motorbike broken. Who watch my video, you know what I meet with Thai girlfriend, Thai woman, and she have incident and bike broken a little bit, and I show you. He broken here, here, and here too. And I need change this and plastic. Change this plastic and this plastic. Oh, and yes, and broken here plastic too. And I need change. And okay, now I go this is shop and we will see he help me or not. Let's go. Okay guys, I am arrived where Thai people can help me for change plastic, and I show you this shop. And here too much people come for change, and he ready already for change plastic. And he change. I buy this plastic for change. And this man ready for change. And need brake, change brake, full brake. And you can see too much motorbike. Here. This shop very popular because if your motorbike broken, say me plastic broken, he have already and he change quickly. And why he very popular and have too much customers? Because people want quickly change plastic. And the shop can do fast. But cloud come, I hope don't have rain. Change plastic left side black color was broken. see how looking motorbike without plastic. Okay guys, finish change plastic for motorbike, and I show you how looking what I did. Change this left side and change for brake and change here red plastic. I think good. What do you think guys? And okay, I back room. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you what you helped me for write comment, for subscribe and for comment. Okay, see you next time guys. Bye bye.